Hey there, it's Megan from Hipstitch Academy, and I am going to cut out some Lulu Lounge Pants. It's one of our Hipstitch Academy Learn to Sew patterns. Very simple. I've taped it in the other video. You can find the link below. Here is I think this is the front piece. And I'm laying it onto the fabric, and you'll notice I've got a piece of printed flannel, and the print only goes one way, so I've got to be really careful to make sure that when I cut it, the direction of the pattern is the correct way, so that the animals on my little print are going to be right side up. And then cut it out. My fabric is doubled, so I've cut two. Nothing needs to be on the fold for that. I think that was the back. This is the front. But it's the same with both pieces. Put it onto the doubled fabric, making sure the print is facing up, and cut around all the edges so you've got two front legs, a left and a right. Make sure you've got the mirror images. You don't want to have two left legs.